Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I'm going to show y'all a handy little tool I picked up that makes the insertion of thread setters or rib nuts, whichever you prefer, to be installed a little bit easier. Sorry if y'all hear the thunder in the background, we're trying to beat the rain. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're back over here. So that is a rib nut, or what I've learned in the industrial mechanic business is called a thread setter. So a conventional kit will actually have a pair of installers that kind of mimic a rivet gun, but if you're somebody like me, has damage to their wrist and stuff like that, these things are kind of a pain in the butt. So I was looking for something and it didn't break the bank, but it's a kit and it actually has M5, M6, M8, 1024, quarter 20, which is what we'll be using, and 5/16, and it comes with the thread threaders too. And it was like 26 bucks plus shipping. I think everything after it was said and done was like $31, so it wasn't that bad. So here's the cool little tool that you get, and again, we're using the quarter 20. So you get a collar that actually allows it to free spin, and you get an actual quarter 20 cap screw that you'll use as an installer. So your cap screw goes through, and then you'll screw your insert on. A lot of tools will say just make it flush. Man, if you got that much thread left, I'd just go a thread or two, because that way whenever you're backing it out, if you do booger up any threads, you can fix it. So here's the way this is going to work. First things first, I got us a makeshift little table going on right here. We are going to drill this plate with a pilot hole first. With the pilot hose drilled, we're going to go ahead and back that bit out and use a unibit, or what some people call a step drill bit. Alright guys, so we got our hose drilled. We're going to make sure the thread setter fits. Make sure it fits in that hole. And it does. So now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the vise. And the reason we got this set up to do two is I wanted to be able to show exactly how this is going to collapse. So what we're going to do is the backup collar we need to hold kind of still with the wrench, and then you push forward. You push forward on the shaft that's going into the screw, and then you go. And you don't usually want to do that and let it flip out on you, but so now, can you see the crimp? So this time I'm going to put it in the vise and let you see it from the back as it crimps. I put the backup wrench on the collar. I'm going to push the thread setter through, which you can see now. I'm going to rotate this a little bit better. And I'm hoping y'all will be able to see the setter crimp. So now with that out, so now you can see the crimped area and the thing's in there. So now all that's left is we'll take a quarter 20 bolt and it started easily by hand. There you go. In there. Out of there. Easy peasy, no hard work, nothing there. Finish looks good. All in all, I think that was $30 well spent. And no more push on the rivet gun. Till next time, y'all take it easy. Alright guys, that's going to finish this one up. Join us next time when we finish the install of our High Hump trans tunnel. Please like and subscribe.